your thoughts on the conference today?
Certainly, it was very educating, and it was a great opportunity to educate others. Absolutely fantastic to come to such a well-organized conference and to see so many overseas delegates, to myself be one of them. And I truly believe it was a wonderful opportunity for all of us here, the speakers and the attendees. It actually exceeded what I thought it would be like. I mean, we all knew coming here there was a great potential, there's this vast market, but we never expected the response that we got, and definitely being a speaker helped.
We are the Bahamas Financial Services Board. We are essentially a development agency, development and promotion of financial services in the Bahamas. For us, China is increasingly important, not only because of its role in the economic growth, but also because of the very strong diplomatic ties that the Bahamas has with China, and in particular in our region. We have a number of arrangements, including an investment protection and promotion agreement with China, where Bahamian investors, i.e. a Bahamian company or a Bahamian individual, is recognized in China, and likewise a Chinese investor or company from China is recognized by the Bahamas government. And there is a significant amount of bilateral trade. For example, the Exim Bank is now making a $2.5 billion investment in a hotel property. So we really see the opportunity to build a broad platform for investment for the China and Exim banks to go and do investment from the Bahamas into the region. But we also have a $1 billion+ investment from Hutchinson Whampoa in a major transshipment port in the Bahamas. So the Chinese trade flows are going to continue to increase. So we thought we needed to be here. The delegates were very varied in their background and their business, and we found that of great interest because from the Bahamas' perspective, we believe that we can provide a sort of a holistic response as an international center to the China market. So we were able to meet with lawyers, with the asset managers, with people who are involved in trade and commerce, which feeds in well with our free trade zone, asset managers, the banks as well. So there was a full array of individuals from the China market. So that was very positive.
I thought the conference was very good, and I have learned a lot from the delegates, and I have, changed my idea about offshore companies. It turns out that to the end of the day, I finally have the idea how could I do with my companies, and how can I offer advice to my clients, friends, to the entrepreneurs. And then the conference is over, and nobody is here to answer my questions. And what they cover in the materials are not detailed enough for me to, to learn something myself. I have to email them or call them.
Feedback so far has been very positive. The amount of the queries and the quality of them has been very impressive, and we're hoping to follow up and deliver quite a quantity of business on the back of that, so we've been very pleased with that. We are a global fiduciary services organisation, therefore we're trying to offer the client the location and the product and the level of service that they need to fulfil their business objectives. We're not a sole product, sole office provider that needs to shoe all clients into the same solution. We had a wide range of intermediaries, a lot of lawyers, a lot of other finance intermediaries who are delivering international services to their clients, and that's the niche of the market we want to fill. The China market is key for us moving forward. Our growth has to be related to areas of the world where wealth is being created. For us, that is the Middle and Far East. Our challenge is to staff our offices with people who are sufficiently educated and knowledgeable about the level of advisory services that people in China need to internationalize their business. So long as we can match that requirement, we have no doubt that we will be successful here.